Guys, welcome back to the channel. You see the title of today's video. We're actually going to be debunking the 7 myths when it comes to Upwork. Now guys, honestly, the reason why I'm doing this is not because I'm affiliated with Upwork, which by the way, that's a disclaimer within itself. I am not affiliated with Upwork in any way, shape or form. But the reason why I'm doing this, guys, is because genuinely I would not be here without Upwork. Like, think about it. I literally wouldn't have figured out the hybrid system, which is using Upwork to stack up initial cash flow, which are smaller ticket clients, which I then basically took and invested into, hiring virtual assistants to actually land me higher ticket e-commerce clients for Facebook ads outside of the platform for my actual agency. Then from then on in, I started blowing up online and actually scaled my agency to, 10K and stuff like that. And that's when I started blowing up online, and people came to me asking me if they could, learn the hybrid system from me directly, because nobody in the industry figured this stuff out. It's a self-financing amazing way to basically scale your agency on autopilot. I won't say autopilot, but it's a better way to actually duplicate yourself, because instead of doing 10 outreach per day or 20 outreach per day, 30 outreach per day or whatever it is, you can literally go about scaling your agency to up to like literally 200, 300, 400 outreach per day if you get the system down. And the best thing about it is that the Upwork clients you get are literally the financial backative, if you will. It's that what gives you the financial power or prowess, if you will, to actually invest into your virtual assistants. It's the Upwork clients that basically afford you these systems over here, which is outside of Upwork, using cold Instagram DMs, cold LinkedIn messages, cold emails, whatever it is, because you can train virtual assistants to pretty much do anything you can do online. So that's basically what the hybrid system is. So I would not be here without Upwork. So basically, all roads lead back to Upwork. So that's why I kind of want to break down the actual myths and the debunks. But before I do that as well, guys, just real quick, on the 5th of October 2022, so it's coming up, well, depends on when you're actually watching this, but the time I'm recording this is literally the 2nd of September. But on the 5th of October, Agency Transmutation, my online program, will actually be going from 797 USD all the way up to 997 USD. And again, guys, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I just want to break down all these myths. Now, here are a couple of the myths that I actually keep hearing over and over again, just so I can get them out on camera real quick. So myth number 1 is that Upwork is just full of low ticket clients. Myth number 2, it's full of crappy clients, like headache clients, if you will. Number 3 is that clients want everything, so basically 10 different things that you want doing, but they don't want to pay much money, basically. So AKA, that's a combination of the first 2. Then there's also myth number 4, which is Upwork is oversaturated, which I don't understand this one whatsoever. There's literal filters, but I'm actually going to show this and break all of these down in a second. And number 5 is you can't get good Facebook ad clients on there. So I'm actually going to show you that live on Upwork itself. Then I'm going to show you that there's enough jobs on there, because the 6th kind of myth is that there's not enough jobs on there to actually land clients. And 7 is that Upwork just in general doesn't work. Now again, a lot of people don't actually understand how to leverage Upwork. They think they can just jump onto Upwork, send 10 proposals and land a client every 10 proposals. It does not work like that. Just to give you some statistics, me personally, it took 150 outreach, or should I say 150 job applications applying to people's jobs, just to literally land me my first ever client on Upwork. It took me 15 days of 10 applications each and every day. So if you do the maths, 10 times 15 or 15 times 10 is 150 outreach I had to do. Now, I want you to actually come into Upwork with a expectation. I want you to do is be very conservative with your numbers. If it took me 150, I want it to be 210 for you. So let's say to yourself, every 210 outreach I do, I should land at least 1 client. And if you don't worry about it, because numbers have a funny way of showing themselves. You can literally go 210 outreach without landing a single client, and then the next 10 outreach you do, you can literally land 2 clients. And that's just the same with everything, guys. There's just I think it's actually called regression to the mean, where numbers have a very funny way of kind of like showing themselves. Anyway, guys, let's jump straight into the first myth. So first myth is that there's only low ticket clients on Upwork, which is obviously not true, guys. I literally have students that have closed a 4.1K per month client. I've even got people, and that's people that are actually in my age instrumentation program. But even outside of age instrumentation, I've literally got students, right? Or should I say people from my YouTube channel that watch this very YouTube channel you're watching, that have literally closed a 3K per month client. And I'll put that on the screen like right now, somewhere here or something like that, because that literally happened like yesterday. I think that actual comment came through yesterday at the time of recording this. So on the 1st of September, it's the 2nd of September now. That literal comment came out yesterday. So is it too late to start SMMA? No. Is it still too late to start Upwork? No. Is there low ticket clients on Upwork? No. How can a 3K per month client be a low ticket client? Like, if that's low ticket, I really want to know what high ticket is. You guys must be talking about over 8K per month or something like that. And if you're just starting out in SMMA and you're trying to close an 8K per month client, I'm pretty sure that's going to be very difficult if you're a complete beginner, you've never sold anything before. Number 2 is crappy clients. I can easily break this down by actually just explaining some of the stories and kind of like just overall experience I've genuinely had with Upwork clients. I'm not even joking. I actually prefer social media management clients, which are my Upwork clients, by the way, because I do kind of like 2 things in my agency. I have technically 3 things, because consulting as well, but we'll get into that in a different video. But long story short, we do social media management for any and all brands. It doesn't actually matter, right? We don't really need to use Upwork these days for this, to be honest with you. This was like my initial stepping stone to get where I'm at right now. But long story short, social media management clients to actually build up that cash flow, and then we actually invested into hiring virtual assistants to actually do outreach for us, to basically find e-commerce brands, qualified e-commerce brands, and land them as clients for Facebook advertising, guys. So that's basically what the hybrid system actually is and how it looks like in my business. Obviously, you can take this and implement it in your business. It doesn't even matter what niche you're in, what you're selling, what your service is, because it actually works. All you're doing is using cash flow to basically train virtual assistants, hire and train virtual assistants, and then you're getting those virtual assistants to do outreach for you for your ideal niche and your ideal service. So crappy clients, that's absolutely BS. I've literally had clients that I've literally worked with for over 18 months, guys. Literally 18 months. Not only that, but I've had clients where I've literally just talked about just funny stuff like anime, even Rick and Morty. I've literally had clients where we've joked about like Rick and Morty. We've had just like literally supposed to be serious strategy sessions. I'm there like making friends. I've had literal a brother literally refer me to his actual identical twin, to be honest with you. Like, it was actually, I think it's actually identical twin. So I've literally had clients that are so nice to me that they've actually recommended me to family members. I've even had students close clients on a call, like a husband, and then he's then got his wife on the call, like literally on the call, and he's been able to close the husband and the wife on the call. So I don't know where these people are coming and talking about crappy clients. I mean, it's like anything. There are crappy clients on the actual platform, but why would you apply to a job that's like looks really crappy or really sketchy or anything like that, or really scammy? You can literally identify that really easily. Now, third myth is clients want everything but want to pay nothing. Now, this is kind of technically true, but again, that's almost like you see a door that's not open and you walk into the door. You can literally, I'm sure everybody on here can literally at least read some form of English. Like, you can literally go onto Upwork, type in like social media, for example, look through the actual jobs and the actual descriptions and read them. If it literally says that they want 20 different things, but they're only paying $300 a month, then why would you apply to them? Just literally move on and just go to the next job. I never understood this particular misconception or myth or whatever you want to call it, because you literally are in control of the jobs you apply to. Like, that's like literally walking into a door you can clearly see is closed. Like, why would you walk into the door and like bump your head, if you will? Now, number 4 is oversaturated. I'm literally just going to prove a point on my computer just real quick, because I'm actually tired of this one. Like, literally, I'm just going to type in the word social media, right? Into actual Upwork. As you can see, we're on Upwork. I'm going to turn off UK only. I'm going to turn this basically off. And as you can see, we've got 21,200 jobs on the platform. Literally. By the way, when I first got started with Upwork, this was December 2019, right? The max I ever saw this number here was 6,000 jobs. So this has actually grown exponentially over the years, basically. Now, even if we have set these filters, and these are the filters I kind of use to actually show you that it's not oversaturated, you can still see that we've got 13,700 jobs to apply to. I mean, if you only need, like, I don't know, let's say you're closing clients at $500 per month because it's slightly lower ticket on Upwork, or if you're trying to go after some higher ticket clients like Facebook ad clients and whatnot, let's say you need, I don't know, roughly 10 clients, 15 clients. You only need 15 people to, you know, get back to you and actually close out of literally 13,000. Like, literally, that's, what's that? Less than 1%, like just over 1% of these you actually need to say yes, basically. Now, a lot of people are saying that, like, when you go to these jobs get filled up really quickly. Well, here's the trick. You can literally go to, for example, page I don't know, I'm just gonna go page 75, for example. As you can see, little trick there, you can actually put in here page 75, and it will literally jump you to all the businesses, all the job postings that literally don't have that many people applying to them, but they're still a day old, which basically means they've gone past that initial phase where, you know, if you guys are familiar, where a client posts out a job, it will get bombarded within the first like 10, 20, 30, or like an hour, 2 hours, or whatever it is. But what you can do is you can actually go back a couple of days by going to like page 105, for example, and you can actually start applying to these jobs that were posted 2 days ago. And now, by the way, if you're asking like what I recommend inside instrumentation and stuff like that, I recommend you apply to jobs that are no more than like 3 to 4 days old. So you can even go back further than this. And again, we're on page 105 right here, and there's 10 jobs per page. You can obviously see, if you do the maths there, there's a whole bunch of jobs you can actually apply to. So when you're saying it's oversaturated, or people saying it's oversaturated, I just don't understand how you guys have not figured this out yet. Like, this is the simplest thing you can ever do. You can literally just type in social media, set your filters to actually, first of all, limit your competition, and then go to the jobs that are being forgotten about and apply to these jobs, because it's very easy to outcompete somebody, that, you know, outcompete 15 other people. It's very easy to outcompete even 20 people that apply to a job. So all you have to do is be the best out of 20, if you will. Now, that being said, I literally just got a notification for a payment, which is kind of crazy. But long story short, guys, now another one of the misconceptions, number 5, is that you can't get Facebook ad clients on the platform as well. Well, all you have to do is just type in literal Facebook marketing, for example, and let's see how many jobs there actually are. So we turn this off again, and as you can see, we've already got 10,000 jobs. And the funny thing is that this is just one keyword. As in, like, we've only typed in one phrase, Facebook marketing. Some people might call it Facebook ads. So this is another little keyword you can actually put in there. So as you can see, we've got another 7,000 jobs for the word Facebook ads. So if you do the maths on that, if you go to Facebook marketing, right? Facebook marketing was what, 10,000 jobs plus another 7,000 jobs, because again, it's showing different keywords, if you will. We've got over 17,000 jobs there, 18,000 jobs there. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of jobs. And again, if you set your filters like so, and go all the way back to a page where you have to click on one page, and so that this little thing comes up, and then go to page, like, I don't know, let's go to 60 or something like that. This is 600 jobs I've just passed. Literally, if I do 10 jobs, there's a 10 jobs per page, and I've jumped to page 60, we've literally got 600 jobs we've just gone past that have the words Facebook marketing in it. So if you offer Facebook ads, this is what you would do, and then just start applying to these jobs and work your way backwards from page 60 all the way down to page 1. And this is some real insider stuff that I teach inside instrumentation. Again, I won't go into too much of this because there's, you know, I don't want to reveal all the secrets inside of instrumentation, but this is how you use Upwork. Nobody knows little tricks like this. So if you're watching this, obviously just drop a like, comment, subscribe. So I just dropped some real heat right there. Now, number 6, I believe we're on myth number 6, is there's not enough jobs on there, which I basically just showed you. There's literally thousands of jobs on here. No, I'm not even joking, like literally thousands of jobs. The funniest thing is that if we go back to like page 1, let's go to page, see if we can go back to page 1 by using this little trick here. I'm not too sure if I've ever done this before. If we go to like page 1, just as the time I've recorded this, it's been 13 minutes on the camera that I'm looking at right now. We've already had like 6, this was posted 6 minutes ago, this was posted 6 minutes ago, this was posted 9 minutes ago, this was posted 10 minutes ago, this was posted 20 minutes ago. So we're getting like 5, 10, and in fact, let's actually go to an even easier one. I'm just gonna type in social media, and we'll actually go to, let's see, this was posted 7 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago. So this was posted, these jobs were literally posted by the time I've hit record. So there's jobs coming out every single minute, guys. It's literally insane. So I don't know why people say there's not enough jobs on there. Now, myth number 7 is that Upwork just doesn't work in general, which, by the way, I'm not too sure how you guys are even coming to this conclusion, because all you have to do is apply to these jobs that genuinely make sense and you can see that they have budget. And by the way, you want to apply to both hourly jobs and fixed jobs. Get them on a call and close them on a fixed basis is what I'm trying to say in that particular case. So it doesn't matter if you're applying to hourly jobs or fixed jobs. A lot of people think that you have to only apply to fixed jobs, which is absolutely BS. Again, inside of instrumentation, I give you the exact filters, the exact strategy, and if you want to enroll into that, I highly recommend you do, because it's going from $797, like I said, $797 all the way up to $997 on the 5th of October. So save yourself $200. But all of this is taught inside of there. Now, I'll show you just real quick a couple, I guess, a student that literally just this week has closed 2 clients. A student of mine that's actually in my one-to-one program. So if you want to enroll in the one-to-one program as well, that's a much bigger financial commitment, but you get to work with me directly one-to-one as well. I'll leave the link below for that. You actually have to book in a call with that because I do offer a guarantee with that particular program that basically states that if you don't land clients, you don't pay, or you can work with me for free forever until you actually land clients. But long story short, he's basically closed 2 clients in literally like 2 or 3 days. I think it might have been 2 days. I'll say 3 days just to give you guys the benefit of the doubt. But basically he closed a 1K per month client, and then he closed a 1.2K per month client. So he added on 2.2K within like 2 or 3 days. So imagine just going from 0 to, I don't know if he was at 0, technically he actually wasn't at 0, but long story short, imagine just adding on an additional 2.2K right now to your monthly income. That's literally what a student's just done in 2 days. Literally 2 days. I'll throw it on the screen somewhere here. But honestly, guys, this stuff is insane. So it does work. It's not oversaturated. It's not too late. You can start now. And if you do, age limitation is below, or you can take my free videos and try you leverage this. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to break this video down and show you that this is absolutely BS. The people that say that Upwork doesn't work is the people that don't know how to make Upwork work, if you will. So it's the people that don't actually know how to use Upwork, and they try it for like maybe 3 days, send out 10 proposals per day and send out 30 proposals and say don't work. You have to send at least, I would say, 210 proposals to actually land 1 client. And the funny thing is, technically it's actually less than that. I've had students come into my program and literally close clients in their first 2 days, 3 days. You guys have seen the testimonials. If you haven't, go to my Instagram at montel.gordon and literally just go through my highlight section. You'll see all of the results there and whatnot. They're the updated results, because again, I get so many results. It's actually difficult to keep updating them on the website. That alone is a flex within itself, guys. I've literally had over 250 screenshots or something like that in the last year of just age limitation results. I literally have more testimonials from students than I actually physically know people out my entire 26 years on this earth. I have more testimonials from just 1 year of age limitation than I know people in my entire life over the past 26 years. Which is absolutely insane. If that's not a flex within itself, I don't know what is. Obviously, I've mastered this system, so it does work, guys. It's not too late. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope that I've broken down your any kind of like myths, misconceptions, that sort of stuff for you guys. Get out there, start Upwork. Honestly, it's absolutely amazing. Again, I am not affiliated with Upwork in any way, shape, or form. And again, hybrid system, look into it, because honestly, it will change your life, change my entire life. If you haven't watched a previous video as well, I explained how I've actually now been able to scale to 61.5K per month with my agency and my coaching business and stuff like that. Consulting, should I say, combined, if you will. Again, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video pretty soon. Peace.